If you have ever had any questions about pet health insurance, today we've got some answers for you. We welcome back to the show our friend Tiffany Burk, Director of Education at the Bay Animal Hospital. Great to see you as always.
You also. Good morning.
Yes. So let's talk about pet insurance and exactly what does it cover. First off, I was surprised. Back to the 1890s, pet insurance has been around, so it's been a thing for a while. But talk about pet insurance and what it does cover.
Pet insurance is wonderful. It's a great way to kick off this fall season because whether you have a young pet at home or a senior pet, I want you to all remember it's never too late to look into pet insurance. It's actually on the rise in our practice at Bay Animal Hospital. We're seeing a lot of families really look into investing into pet insurance. There's a lot of different options out there. There's accident policies, illness policies, and preventative wellness policies. So under the huge umbrella of pet insurance, there's a lot of options.
Well, and how is this just overall beneficial, though, if you are a pet owner?
Oh yes, it gives you peace of mind with your pet. It allows you to not worry about the financial investment of a preventative care appointment or a sick appointment, or if your pet has had an accident, hit by a car or broken a bone. It allows you to say yes to your vet and pursue that care needed and allow your insurance company to take over the primary financial burden. And as long as you see your vet, get a diagnosis and treatment, you wait for your check.
There you go. And then you mentioned some of these options, but what are some of those different policy options that are out there?
Yes, definitely. There are a lot of different options. There is preventative care policies, which that's your vaccine appointment, heartworm protection, diagnostic heartworm test, perhaps some dental care. Also looking at regular diagnostic testing like senior blood work, young wellness blood work to make sure the internal organs are functioning, spay and neutering, and microchipping. Accident policies are if your pet gets into an accident, breaks a bone, or has an injury that you're not expecting that can cost thousands of dollars.
Sure.
These accidents policies allow you to say yes to your vet, pursue care, and of course the illness policy. If you have a pet that gets diagnosed with diabetes, parvovirus, or an infectious disease that needs a lot of care. Referral hospitals are getting very expensive as veterinary care costs are rising. It allows you to say yes to your vet and pursue treatment for your pet.
All right, let's talk about exactly what a policy advisor is. PAW, or PAW, that is, policy advisor. What is that?
So this is a wonderful website, and they have a QR code. If you go to their website, it allows you to do a comparison analysis for your family and your pet based on what you want for your needs. It's a click away. It takes minutes. You visit policyadvisor.com. It's a plug and chug method. It's based on your pet's breed, species, age, and what may be comorbidities that may affect your pet, diseases and ailments, and it allows you to cross compare all of the insurance companies, so you don't have to call each company, ask them the rigorous questions. Policy.com does the work for you. It's just a click away.
Yeah, it sounds like a great guide there.
Yes.
As you said, save you some legwork too. So once you do purchase a policy, how does it work?
Yes, very important question because it takes a couple of weeks before you go into your vet because pre-existing conditions are not covered. So please wait before you go to your vet. Once you get your policy, you visit your vet. After that wait time, they will do a full exam, perhaps make any diagnoses, and then you submit your claim to your insurance company. That could be an invoice, a receipt, a click away, could be digitally uploaded to your insurance policy. You go home and wait for your check.
Okay, and as you said, you have been seeing more and more folks take advantage of this, right?
Oh yes, most definitely. Our furry family members are becoming not just pets, they're part of our family, integral members of our family. So this is important for us to remember so that we can say yes to their treatment, their care, their preventative care to keep them healthy over a whole long lifetime, whether that's a dental cleaning or vaccines, refilling your heartworm protection or flea and tick control, or, I don't want you to be worried if you have an older pet at home. Still look into insurance because it can offer end-of-life care.
Let's share that information one more time for folks at home. The policy advisor, which is, again, basically a one-stop shop for you to figure out whatever plan makes sense for you. There's the information on your screen, the website, policy.com. Just take note of the spelling, right?
Oh, yes.
As always, our thanks to Tiffany Burk, Director of Education at Bay Animal Hospital, for coming in and giving us all of our animal answers.